Today we're gonna show you how to make some wonderful bath soak made with Epsom and pink Himalayan salts. For this recipe, you're going to need 1 cup of Epsom salt, 1 cup of pink Himalayan salt, 50 drops of essential oil blend of your choice, and 1 cup of mixed dry flowers. Now you can use any dry flowers you'd like. What we have used is half a cup of dry lavender flowers and half a cup of dry rose petals. Now it is time to mix all the ingredients together. So you want to put your Epsom salt in a bowl, the pink Himalayan salt, followed by the flowers. So the way you add the flowers is a little handful at a time. You just make sure you crush them really well as you add them. At this point, all you need is to add the essential oil blend, so just 1 drop at a time, and then mix it all in. Now that everything is mixed very well, put them in your container of choice and you are ready for a relaxing bath.